Bug Eye Guys. I want to talk to you today about these 1275 engines that we're selling complete. This car is a car here from Arizona in our shop in Connecticut. Came in with a smoking engine, leaking oil, basically a tired engine, and we've replaced it with this 1275 engine. We sell these in our catalog at Bug Eye Guy Parts, and you can see them there. But this one is a 75 horsepower roughly engine, a 1275 completely rebuilt. Happens to be an A+ engine. It's a little bit later engine. All of these engines are built from cores that are used, but they're completely reconditioned. This one has the oil filter, spin-on oil filter cast into the block. So that's the latest series of 1275 engines, are the A+ engine. It's a wonderful engine. This one is all set up and ready to go back home to Arizona. You can see many of the accessories that we also sell in our catalog, but the main focus of this video is the engine. I just wanted people to understand that if they are looking for a solid power plant, it's guaranteed for a year. We have these reconditioned engines in stock, and we have them in 3 flavors. This is the base flavor. 75 horsepower is plenty for most people. The original was about 45 horsepower. The original 948. So this 1275 is a very pleasant upgrade, but you can go even further if you want 100 horsepower. We offer that as well. This engine is bored and fit with new pistons and rings and hardened valve seals so that it'll run, valve seats I mean, so that it'll run well on unleaded gas. And it has a rear main seal adapting kit so that it will leak less oil out the back of the engine. You can see things that we've added, like a new heater valve, and these happen to be new twin SU carburetors, the HS2 carburetors, and new K&N air filters, and a new fuel filter, all things that we sell in our catalog, a new aluminum radiator and a 6-blade fan. But they're all hanging off of this nice engine, which is now starting a whole new life in that it's completely reconditioned, new camshaft and new bearings and a cut crank so that it'll last a good long time and provide the owner a lot of great miles to come. So that's what we're up to today here at Bug Eye Guy.